Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best laundry scent beads is probably one of the most underrated laundry products out there. They're designed to give your clothes a boost of freshness that lasts for weeks. But with so many options on the market, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll dive into the world of laundry scent beads, exploring what they are, how they work, and how to find the perfect scent to transform your laundry routine. Number 5. Downy Infusions Bliss Scent Booster Beads. Introducing Downy Infusions Bliss. This product will transform your laundry experience. It infuses your clothes with a delightful scent of amber and rose. Enjoy a long-lasting scent that lasts up to 12 weeks, from wash to wear. It keeps your clothes smelling fresh and vibrant. You'll love how your clothes smell. Using it is simple. Just toss a capful of the beads into your washing machine before adding your clothes. For a more intense scent, add more beads. This product is safe for all washing machines. It provides lasting freshness with every load. It's designed to work efficiently in any machine. For an even more captivating scent experience, pair it with Downy Infusions Bliss Liquid Fabric Softener and Dryer Sheets. Together, they create an amazing scent. What we like. This product offers a delightful blend of amber and rose, infusing your clothes with a sweet and vibrant fragrance. It's incredibly easy to use, just toss a capful into your machine. If you like a long-lasting, captivating scent that transforms your laundry experience, you should consider this. What people say. These beads dissolve in the wash cycle, infusing fabrics with a luxurious scent that lingers well beyond laundry day. They add a long-lasting, fresh scent to my clothes that lasts for weeks. The scent is strong but not overpowering, and it makes laundry feel like less of a chore. Number 4. Gain Fireworks Moonlight Breeze Scent Booster. Introducing Gain Fireworks Scent Booster. This amazing product gives your laundry up to 12 weeks of freshness, from wash to wear. It's a simple way to keep your clothes smelling great. You can use it with your favorite detergent. Just add it to every step of your laundry routine for a boost of the great Gain scent. It's easy to incorporate into your existing wash day. This product is safe to use on all colors and fabrics. You don't have to worry about damaging your clothes. It's designed to be gentle yet effective. It's compatible with both regular and e-washing machines. It dissolves in both hot and cold water, making it convenient for any laundry setup. This product is designed for ease of use. Like any household detergent, it's important to keep this product away from children. Store it safely and out of reach. Always follow the instructions on the packaging. What we like. This product gives your laundry up to 12 weeks of freshness, ensuring your clothes smell great from wash to wear. It works seamlessly with your favorite detergent, enhancing the overall scent experience. If you are looking for a versatile scent booster that complements your existing laundry routine, you should consider this. What people say. These are so easy to use, just throw them in your washer and your clothes come out smelling wonderful. If I don't tied, this is my next go-to and makes your clothes smell so good. I use for my towels and the scent stays with them. They keep your laundry smelling fresh for longer. I wash all my clothes with these as well before I store them for the summer and they're still fresh. Number 3. Arm & Hammer Purifying Water Scent Booster 4-pack. Tired of laundry that just doesn't smell clean? This scent booster eliminates odors and infuses your clothes with a revitalizing freshness that lasts. It's like a breath of fresh air for your laundry. Experience the power of Arm & Hammer baking soda combined with a fresh, clean scent. It will leave your clothes smelling amazing. This product is designed to keep your clothes smelling fresh. Simply add this scent booster to your washing machine before you add your clothes. It's easy to use and integrate seamlessly into your laundry routine. It is a simple step for a big impact. This scent booster is safe for use in high-efficiency washing machines. It's designed to work effectively in all types of washers. You can enjoy the benefits regardless of your machine type. This product is safe for all colors, washable fabrics, and load types. You can use it with confidence on all your laundry. It is a versatile solution for all your washing needs. What we like. This product provides both deodorization and long-lasting freshness, thanks to the addition of pure Arm & Hammer baking soda. It's designed to be heat compatible, making it suitable for a wide range of washing machines. If you have a need for a powerful clean with a revitalizing scent, you should consider this. What people say. Adds lovely light scent to even the dirtiest of laundry. Scent is not overpowering. Gives laundry that extra lift. It adds a delightful freshness to my laundry that lasts long after washing. Just a small scoop in the wash makes a noticeable difference in scent, making clothes smell clean and inviting. Number 2. Arm & Hammer Lavender Escape Scent Booster, 4-pack. Introducing the Arm & Hammer Lavender Escape Scent Booster. This product enhances your laundry experience with a fresh, light fragrance. It's designed to make your clothes smell amazing. This scent booster uses 4 essential ingredients to deliver a premium scent experience. You get great value without compromising on quality. It's a simple way to elevate your laundry routine. This product is free from unnecessary chemicals. It contains no dyes, phosphates, brighteners, or parabens. It's a gentle yet effective way to freshen your clothes. Use this scent booster with Arm & Hammer Clean and Simple Liquid Laundry Detergent. Together, they provide a powerful clean and long-lasting freshness. It's the perfect combination for your laundry needs. This scent booster is safe for all washing machines, including standard and HE models. It dissolves completely in all water temperatures. It's convenient and easy to use. What we like. This product offers a premium scent experience without unnecessary chemicals, ensuring a fresh and light fragrance. It's designed to work in all machines and at all temperatures, providing convenience. If you are looking for a laundry booster that is gentle on your clothes and the environment, you should consider this. What people say. I love these scent beads with no dye. Our whole family is very sensitive to detergents and fabric softeners. This one has been great. No allergic reactions. It is my favorite brand to use. And it makes our laundry smell fresh. You actually don't have to use tons of it and you get a nice light fragrance that is uplifting. I use 1/3 to 1/4 of the recommended amount and it's just perfect. Throw it in the wash with the laundry and they come out smelling fabulous. Number 1. Roobi Linen Breeze Laundry Scent Booster Beads. These scent booster beads from Roobi will transform your laundry experience. They are designed to give your clothes a long-lasting, fresh linen scent. Formulated with natural scents and no harsh chemicals, they are perfect for sensitive skin and all fabric types. You can use them with confidence knowing they are gentle and effective. Made with plant-based ingredients, these beads are 100% vegan and come in recyclable packaging. It's a choice that's good for you and the planet. Enjoy a delightful linen aroma that lasts up to 12 weeks. These beads keep your clothes smelling fresh and clean for longer. Compatible with all washing machines, they dissolve instantly in hot or cold water. It's the perfect solution for all your laundry needs. As the only certified carbon-neutral laundry fragrance beads, they help reduce your environmental footprint. Choose a sustainable option and join the zero-waste movement. What we like. This product is crafted from plant-based ingredients, ensuring they're 100% vegan and kind to our planet. It's also allergy-friendly and free from harsh chemicals, making it perfect for sensitive skin. If you like making a positive impact on the planet with each purchase, you should consider this. What people say. Smell is amazing, long-lasting, sustainable packing, small amount needed. These made my clothes smell really good without smelling like perfume. Fragrance lasts long enough. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.